Good day everyone, I am James and I will be discussing to you today some features and functions of a multimeter. There are three major advantages of using a multimeter, particularly when we are talking about safety, wherein we can use multimeters to detect short circuits and inappropriate power supply values. For accuracy, multimeters can provide you an accurate measurements and wire connections during the tests. Multimeters also improves the work efficiency when testing is implemented properly. It saves time and effort by eradicating mistakes during the performance of the job. There are three different types of multimeters used nowadays. This includes analog meters that uses measuring scale and a pointer on its display. The manual ranging digital multimeter or the digital voltometer, which uses LCD to display measurements, and the auto-ranging digital multimeter, which has a more improved features of easier testing and measurement experiences. The table shown here are the common symbols that you can see in multimeters. You can pause the video and have a note if you need to do so. Just take note of the voltage symbol where AC voltage indicates a wave sign signifying that it is for alternating current, and the other one is the DC voltage that indicates two lines where one is for the positive and the other one is for the negative. Analog multimeter is a bit different when it comes to parts. Aside from measurement scales on its display, analog meters uses 0 ohm adjustment knob to calibrate the meter needle for accurate reading when measuring resistance. Other parts includes range selector switch, also known as selector knob, and the meter input jacks that are common to other meters. Manual ranging uses LCD where measurements are displayed. The range selector switch selects the ranges from different measurement in volts, resistance, current, etc. And we also have the test rods input jacks. The only difference of the manual ranging meters from the auto ranging meters are the ranges in the voltage, resistance, and current measurements. Auto-ranging function in the auto-ranging DMM remove the manual ranging selection during a particular test. This means that auto-ranging meters are more efficient to use than the first two meters. Auto-ranging meters also uses LCD display, range selector, and the input jacks. In the input jack, black test rod should always be plugged in to COM jack. Red test rod is plugged in based on the test being performed. Plug in red test rod in milliamps or microamp symbols when measuring low current value, not exceeding to the range. Plug in red test rod to amps or ampere symbol if testing higher current value. Red test rod should be plugged in to voltage, ohms, and diode symbol input jack when measuring voltage, resistance, and performing a diode tests. Follow the simple testing procedures for your first testing experiences.